Hello, welcome back to my channel, Charlie's Lessons, and in this video we'll take a look at how we can upload Google Docs to Google Drive. So the first thing we're going to do, as always, is go to the Apps Launcher and go to Google Drive. Now I'm in a folder where I'd like to upload the document. I'm going to go to New and File Upload. As you can see, I have 3 test documents. The first one I'm going to show you is what you'll probably be uploading to Google Drive is a Word document. So let's try this. The upload starts in the bottom right hand corner and the document is now ready. I'm going to open this and now the document is in Google Drive, but it's still not a Google Docs formatted document. As you can see, there is still the Microsoft Word format extension appearing in the corner. So to convert this to a Google Doc, we're just going to go to File and we're going to go to Save as Google Docs. You can see the extension has disappeared and this is now a Google Doc. And as you can see, there is now a second document appearing, which is known as a Google Doc. Let's try now with a PDF document. We're going to open this and go to Open with Google Docs. And as you can see, the document has now been converted to a Google Docs document. And finally, if you work with ODT files, so you work with OpenOffice, let's open one of those. And again, the same process. We go to Open with Google Docs. And now, as you can see in the top left-hand corner, you can see it's appearing now as a Google Doc document. And if we go to Drive, you can see now we have 3 Google Doc documents now that have been converted from a Microsoft Word document, an OpenOffice document, and a PDF. Thank you for watching this video on how to upload Google Doc documents to Google Drive. I'll see you in the next video.